If you've been wanting to finally close your old Hotmail account but aren't sure where to start, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. It's simple, it's fast, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to permanently close your Hotmail account the right way. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Outlook website. Since Outlook now manages all Hotmail emails, this is where the process begins. Once you're on the Outlook login page, click the Sign In button at the top right corner, log in using your Hotmail email and password. And if you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there are recovery options right on the page to help you get back in. After signing in, you'll land in your Outlook inbox. Look at the top of the screen for your profile icon, usually a small circle. Click it and a menu will appear. From here, select My Microsoft account. This will take you to the main dashboard where all your account settings live. On your Microsoft account page, navigate to the Your Info section. This area holds your personal details and controls for important account features, including security and privacy settings. Now scroll until you find the option that says Close Account. Click it, and Microsoft will start walking you through the closing process. Take a moment here. Microsoft will show several warnings explaining what happens when you close your Hotmail account. This includes losing access to all emails, contacts, and any Microsoft services tied to this account. Make sure you're absolutely ready before continuing. Once you're sure, follow the on-screen prompts. You may need to verify your identity by entering a code sent to your recovery email or phone number. After confirming everything, your account will be scheduled for closure. Microsoft gives a 60-day grace period just in case you change your mind. If you log back in during that time, the closure is canceled. And that's it. You've successfully completed the steps to close your Hotmail account. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to drop a comment or ask any questions below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials.